What is up, people? Not too much. Good morning. I'm having me. This is called. It's called something funny, but it's called a Ratchet burger. It has like barbecue sauce, onions, onion ring, burger. It's another burger. They got a Ratchet chili dog there at Mr. Don's and fries, but those I'll do at a later time. Yeah, they had like this thing on their sign. Usually they'll have funny stuff on their signs, and it'll say like, just different stuff or whatever. Well, it said something about like a Ratchet shirt and everything. It's funny, man. The barbecue taste in here, somewhat in that. Then they should have added like a little bit more. Burger's not like really too messy or nothing. Just like how they have it, I guess, or whatever. But it's pretty decent. Pretty good burger. They just decided to name it this. You guys got Mr. Don's where you guys are at. Pick it up. I would have to rate this about give it about a 7. But if you guys got Mr. Don's where you guys are at, go out and pick it up.